What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 3033. My name is Brandon LaTrude. If this is your first time at the channel, welcome. In today's video, we're going to go over a hitch receiver lock and what we use that for, and a lot of good reasons why you should use it, especially if you're doing Turo. So let's get started. So originally this Jeep came without a hitch, and the main reason we put a hitch on even and added the tow hitch lock is because the Wrangler, this does not work with our key pockets that works with the Tesla and the other Jeep Renegade. So we have these little pocket sleeves, put the key in it, lock it, throw it in the center console or whatever, and you can, lock the car and unlock the car remotely, because that's supposed to deactivate the key, but it doesn't work with this. And we actually had a customer try to do it, and we were far away and it wasn't unlocking, so I had to go all the way back out to the airport on a Friday during rush hour to try to go unlock the car for them because it wouldn't unlock. So the issue we were like, okay, we got to figure something else out. So we put a tow hitch on this, and there's a video on how to install both of these, the hitch and the tow hitch lock. So in general, if you're doing Turo, it's a good thing, especially if you have a tow hitch like the Bronco has one. And if I were to rent that out, I would put one of these locks on it. So the main reason you can put one of these locks on it, or a good reason to put one of the locks on one of your vehicles, like a truck or a big SUV, and you have a way to remote lock, or if you have one of the window locks with the key thing that, just kind of sits outside the window. This is a good thing to add to your vehicle so people can't tow. So we'll kind of take a look at this really quick. So to get the cover off, pull from the bottom and it comes off. So again, the cool thing about this is it locks the tow hitch completely, so nobody can, try to tow with your vehicle. So that is one huge advantage to this, is you want to make sure people aren't towing with your vehicle, boats, trailers, anything like that. Throw on one of these, and as you can see, it's got little pin or little numbers to activate your code. And again, it's pretty simple to use, pretty easy. And I'll show you really quick what it looks like open. So as I was saying, this is really helpful, especially for Turo. For us, we put our key in it because those sleeve pockets don't work to, make sure that the key, you can put it in there and it will lock and unlock. So this is actually pretty good. We lock the car, put the key in here, slide it in, and the car cannot be opened, because this is the grab handle one, where if you have the key on you and it's in a certain range, it'll unlock. But when it's down there, it won't let you unlock it. So if it were locked and shut with the key in there, it wouldn't open at all. So it's really nice to, be able to put a key in there. And I like it because it's pretty discreet. And it's easy for everybody to use. It comes with, like I said, the little cover to make sure it stays waterproof and doesn't get damaged. It's really easy to install. Like I said, I have another video on how to install this specific hitch and how to set the numbers and the pins. So again, when you want to set your numbers, you adjust it right here. But yeah, it's pretty great. I'll grab the key really quick and show you how it kind of works. But yeah, it's a really great little thing to have to make sure you can lock your car, unlock your car, or lock your hitch so nobody can tow with your vehicle. All right, so here we go. Have the Jeep key, and again, like I said, you can lock it, and if the key's in your pocket, it unlocks it. So yeah, with this, it's great. So we can kind of, I'll just even hit this little button. It's locked. I'm gonna put the key inside. Sorry, it's all blurry. So this key is pretty big and it barely fits, but it does. So now that it's locked, can't unlock it. So that's the best part about it, is when that's in there, you can't open it, you can't unlock it, you can't do anything, so no one can get access to it. So it's really nice having that thing, because I was a little worried that the distance between the tow hitch lock and the rear handle wasn't going to be enough, but it is. So yeah, this thing's great. So after you put the key in there, you can kind of just read the bottom, see where it says attach, and then you kind of just smack it on. And it stays on there pretty snug, pretty fit. So yeah, really like this thing. And again, I think it's a huge thing for Turo, mainly because it makes it easy to, one, lock your tow hitch, so like I said a million times, no one can tow with it, or two, if your vehicle is like ours, to where the little key fob detector and the Uconnect doesn't work very well, and again, we couldn't find a pocket protector or pocket blocker for the key that would actually work for the Jeep. So we were kind of freaking out, being like, okay, well, we don't want to leave the Jeep unlocked, we don't want to do anything like that. So this was a really good solution that we could find to put the key in. So yeah, that's the main reason we got it. I mean, it is a really good thing to have, especially for like a Jeep, Bronco, any sort of vehicle you go off-roading with. And if you're an advocate hiker, this is perfect for going hiking and then not wanting to bring your key with you, to possibly lose it. Throw it in there, lock it, go. Concerts, anything. If you're leaving your car for somebody, for a family relative or anything like that, super convenient. It's very useful for tons and tons of different reasons. So again, if you're an outdoorsy person, like to travel a lot, let people use your car, don't want people using the tow hitch for Turo or anything like that, or again, we use ours to lock our key in it for people for Turo. It's a really good thing to have, to be able to tow, or to block towing, and to get access to your vehicle. So yeah, we really like that. But yeah, that's just a quick video on one thing I think you should have for Turo, especially if you have a vehicle that has a tow hitch, or if you can't find a solution to add your key fob or something like that. This is perfect for it. So thank you for watching 303 Streets. Stay tuned for a lot more videos to come, especially with Turo. We're going to be adding a lot more videos on how insurance works, our worst experience with stuff, and sorry about that, the video cut out. But yeah, again, just a lot more videos to come, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching 303 Streets. My name is Brandon Lechuga. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Thank you, and have a good day.